Manoj Publication presents all-in-one computer course. To select any topic, click on its button. Select any option by clicking it. Windows XP is an operating system software that controls the hardware of the computer. To turn on the computer, press Power button on the CPU. Now, Windows XP screen opens up on your monitor. This is Desktop. Click on Next. To make a new folder, double-click on My Computer. Click on Local Disk E-Drive. Right-click on any blank space and thus a context menu appears. Click on New. Click on Folder. Type Wonderland. Now, a new folder with the name Wonderland appears. Click on Next. This is your desktop. To change the wallpaper of the desktop, right-click on Desktop and thus a context menu opens up. Click on Properties. Click on Desktop. Select an image. Click on OK. The wallpaper of your desktop is now changed. Click on Next. To change the screensaver, right-click on the desktop and thus a context menu opens up. Click on Properties. Click on Screensaver. Click on drop-down arrow of Screensaver. Click on 3D text. Click on Settings. Type Wonderland in custom text. Click on OK. Click on Preview to see the screensaver. Click on Next.